The Golgi apparatus, the shipping and delivery partner of the cell. Did you know every cell in your body has its own delivery company? And the boss of shipping is Golgi apparatus. Welcome to Life Science with Yamini. Today we are exploring the cell's delivery center, the Golgi apparatus, tiny structure that packages and ships protein inside your cell. It was discovered by the Italian scientist Camillo Golgi in 1898. The definition of Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus is a cell organelle responsible for the modification and packaging and secretion of proteins and lipids. The Golgi apparatus looks like a stack of flattened sacs called cisternae with a cyst phase that receives protein, a middle region and modified them, and a trans phase that packages and ships them. Inside your cell, proteins are made in the ribosomes and processed in the endoplasmic reticulum, but they are not ready to ship yet. They go to the Golgi apparatus, the cell's packaging and delivery center. Here's what happens: proteins arrive, they get modified and labeled, then they are shipped to the right place in or outside the cell. For example, cytoplasmic region or lysosome deliveries. Think of it like Amazon packing your orders before delivery. If the Golgi apparatus stops working, proteins get lost inside the cell and that can lead to serious disease. So remember, without the Golgi apparatus, your cell would be like a warehouse with no shipping department. Subscribe for more crazy secrets about the microscopic world. Thanks for watching.